Hi guys, it's Jack here with 3D Everything.
They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's messing me out. They telling me they know what's best.
In today's video, I have made another random print. In this case, it's a V-Buck from Fortnite, the in-game currency. Now, this came out beautifully on my printer, except for this one little stringing defect. And other than that, I was able to sand it and paint it, and it came out great. Now, it's about 4.5 inches in diameter. It would be a little bit bigger if I didn't have this bubble in my build plate, but other than that, this came out wonderfully. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I really appreciate all the help with growing the channel. If you know anyone that's into 3D printing, please refer them over here. It would really help with growing the channel.